All right, it does come with a remote. So let's pop the remote out. Now, when you get a remote like these, they've got those little small, I think they're 2023 batteries. They look like a dime or a nickel or something. So they have this little piece of plastic. You're going to pull that out. You see that? That's what's keeping that battery from running down while they're going to send it to you. So this is, it's basically you got on, off, and then you got mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. So let's go through it and see what it is. All right, so anyway, I've come into a dark room. I'm going to show you how to use the controller. All right, so we've got it both on off, right? They're off. But both of them, I pressed the button on the back. So let me just show you. You got off and on, then you got mode 1, 2, and 3. So to turn them on, bam, point it at them, click. All right, then go through mode 1. All right, let's go mode 2. And it's a little bit less bright. Let's go mode 3. Okay, give it a second. You can see them here. And that's basically how you use the remote. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out the other videos where I put these on the fence outside. Peace out.